Hi, I'm John Merchant. You may be surprised to learn that most forensic investigations don't begin because of an audit or because of strong internal controls. Actually, they're started by tips. In other words, someone calls in or writes a letter and lets upper management or ownership know that there's something going on in their organization. Now, how can you take advantage of this? Well, tips can come from various sources. They can come from your own employees, perhaps vendors, customers. If you're in business, sometimes they even come from your competitors. So one of the best ways to get this going is to set up a telephone hotline. Once you establish a number and a voicemail dedicated just to this purpose, you may receive tips that will help you uncover things going on in your organization. One of the keys to this is to make sure it's anonymous. People like to give tips that they don't actually have to be associated with, so let them have that anonymity. Once you set this up, what do? Well, the first thing you want to do is let your vendors, customers, maybe even your competitors know that you've got this and that you would welcome anything that they can let you know. Now, what do you do with your own employees? Well, first of all, you have to establish what's known as tone at the top. You have to make it clear that all of these standards apply to everyone in the organization, not just the lowest people in the organization. So once you've established this tone, you let people know that certain behavior is just not going to be tolerated. You may have to tell them what that is. You may have to define fraudulent activity. You may have to tell them what inappropriate activities are. Make it clear to them. Then you let them know that you have this hotline and that you welcome any information that they can provide. Now, if you're interested in this and would like to set up your own hotline, why don't you give us a call? We can help you with the hotline. We can help you educate your employees. If you'd like to call us, here's our contact information.